Good morning, students. Let's start today's topic, Pythagorean triplet. A Pythagorean triplet is a set of positive integers a, b, and c that fits the rule a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Let's take an example. If we add the squares of 3 and 4, what do we get? 3 squared plus 4 squared, and their sum will be equal to, that is 9. 3 squared is 9, whereas 4 squared is 16. When we add their squares we get 25, which is a square of 5. So we can say that 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared. So 3, 4, 5 is collection of number that is known as Pythagorean triplet. 3, 4, 5 together is known as Pythagorean triplet. In the similar way, 6, 8, 10 together is also known as Pythagorean triplet. The numbers 5, 12, 13 form another such triplet. Let's see how. 6 squared 8 squared is equal to 36 plus 64. When we add these two, we get 100, and 100 is a square of 10. So we can say that 6 squared plus 8 squared is equal to 10 squared. So 6, 8 and 10 together are called Pythagorean triplet. Constructing Pythagorean triplets. So let's find out the general form of Pythagorean triplet, or how we can find a Pythagorean triplet. So for any natural number m greater than 1, we have this. Here we are using the same relation, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Over here a is equal to 2m, b is equal to m squared minus 1, and c is equal to m squared plus 1. So if it is satisfied, then that is sum of the squares of two numbers is equal to the third one, and satisfy this relation, then 2m, m squared minus 1 and m squared plus 1 forms a Pythagorean triplet. 2m, m squared minus 1 and m squared plus 1 forms a Pythagorean triplet. Let's try to find some more Pythagorean triplets using this form. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose smallest member is 8. So let's start this. We know the general form of Pythagorean triplet, that is Pythagorean triplet 2m, m squared minus 1, m squared plus 1. We have been given one of the member, that is 8. In the Pythagorean triplet set, one of the number is 8 and it is the smallest member. So let's find other two numbers. So to start with, we will equate 2m and 8. So I have equated one of the members with 8. So we will find the value for m. So keep m one side and divide both LHS and RHS by 2. So how much is m? M is equal to 4. So we got the value for m. Now we can substitute this value of m in rest of the numbers, that is m squared minus 1 and m squared plus 1. So one of the number is 8. 2 multiply m, that is 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. So one of the member of the triplet is 8. Let's find other members. So substituting the value of m in this one, we will get 4 squared minus 1, that is equal to 16 minus 1, that is 15. So another member is 15. Let's find another member, third member. So 4 squared plus 1, what do we get? 16 plus 1, that is equal to 17. So three members are 8, 15, 17, of which 8 is the smallest member. So Pythagorean triplet is 8, 15, 17 and 8 is the smallest member. Let us see another question. Find a Pythagorean triplet in which one member is 18. So one member is being given, that is 18. So let's equate 2m is equal to 18. So what will be m equal to? It will be equal to 9. How? We will divide both side LHS and RHS by 2. So 2 will cancel out and 2, 18, 9 times. So m is equal to 9. Now we got the value of 9. One of the member is 18. So we will not equate in this 2m. We will equate the value of m in m squared minus 1 and m squared plus 1 to get other members. So when we substitute the value for m in m squared minus 1, we get 9 squared minus 1. What is the square of 9? It is 81. So 81 minus 1 is 80. So one of the member is 80. Second member is 80. Let's find the third member. We will substitute the value for m in m squared plus 1. That will be equal to 9 squared plus 1, that is equal to 81 plus 1, that is equal to 82. So the third member of the triplet is 82. So what is the Pythagorean triplet for this? 18, 80, 82. Hope this is clear. Now let us take another topic where we have to find the square of a number without actual multiplication. Means suppose we have been given a number and we need to find the square of this number 23. What we usually do is we will multiply 23 and then we'll find out the square. So we don't have to do this. We will apply another method over here. So what we will do, we know that 23 is equal to 20 plus 3, and since we are doing the square, so we will square both sides. So now we have to find the square of 20 plus 3. So what we will do, we will write this 2 times. That is 23 squared is equal to 20 plus 3 squared, and squared means what? It is multiplied 2 times. That is 20 plus 3 bracket 20 plus 3. Now what we will do is we will keep this bracket, whatever there is in this bracket, we will keep it like that only, and we will separate this one like this. Take 20 of this bracket over here, then multiply it with second bracket, this one, 20 plus 3. Now take the second part of this bracket, that is plus 3, and now multiply it with the whole bracket, that is second one, 20 plus 3. Now try to solve it. We know that bracket means multiplication. So what will be the next step? So 20 multiply 20, 20 multiply 20. What will be the answer? 20 multiply 20. Now what is there? Plus sign is there. So let's look at again. What we got? 20 bracket 20 plus 3 plus 3, 20 plus 3. Now solve this bracket first. So what is the next step? 20 multiply 20. What is the sign over here? Plus. Write it down. Now what we will do? 20 multiply 3. So 20 multiply 3. Now what is the sign over here? Plus. Now solve this second bracket. So 3 is being multiplied with 20 first. So 3 multiply 20. Now it is being multiplied with plus 3. So write down plus sign and then 3 multiply 3. So 20 multiply 20 is 400. Then 20 multiply 3 is 60. Again 3 multiply 20 is 60. Again plus 3 multiply 3 is 9. Now add all these numbers, you will get the square of 23. So we are doing this without actually multiplying them. Hope you understood this, children. Hope you all understood this. So complete exercise 6.2 as today's assignment. Thank you.